Hey everybody, this is Dave. How we doing today? I'm going to run through some daily charts to start with. Today was an absolutely perfect day to trade off the daily charts, the dailies. Now, I gave you these numbers in my video yesterday. Here's your support level. Here's your resistance level. This is the ES. You can see the ES came down into the support level and dropped below it quite a bit. But what you do when that happens, you don't abandon the thought of the trade. You wait and you watch. When you see this bottom out, and usually what I'll do is flip over to my 15-minute chart, and I'll look for support, resistance, and when I think that it has bottomed out and I see it start to push back up, I'll let it get back in between these two levels and then take your long. Just like we talked about yesterday, if it overshoots your target, you wait till it tops out, starts to float back down. When it gets back to your targets, you short it. So the ES spit out a good amount of money today. TF, exact same thing, came down here quite a ways under your support levels, pushed back up and then moved up quite a bit, and now here we are later in the day and it's back down to support. The NQ, exact same scenario, except with this one you could have caught this one on both ends. You could have shorted after it came back to the target, and you could have bought it as it came back up into the support levels. And the YM, same thing on the YM, dropped down under support a little bit, got back up in it, made a nice move up. Now it's about almost 5 o'clock and it's selling back down a little bit. That's how you play the daily levels, okay? And right there they are for tomorrow. These levels are good for tomorrow. They're good until I draw new ones. Alrighty, let's go over here to our intraday charts. And we'll start with the usual suspect. Mr. TF made a high today of 51.4 and a low of 31.3. Tomorrow's daily gap, 1141. To the NQ, Mr. NQ made a high today of 36.12 and a low of 35.44. Tomorrow's daily gap, 35.84 and 3/4. Always use a stop loss order. Again, my name is Dave, also known as the Fib Doctor. You can find me at thefibdoctor.com, stocktwits.com, Twitter, Tumblr, Yeehaw, about anywhere. You can find me about anywhere on the internet. You won't find me in a trade without a hard stop loss order in place. Y'all have a good night. I'm out of here.